We are almost finally completed with this Subway ceramic shower. I'm telling you, the amount of tiles you install on a walk-in Subway ceramic shower is tedious. It is time consuming. We are extremely happy to be at the finishing line. Tomorrow we will collect payment after we install the trim kit, shower door, and seal it. So let's get right to it. Build this niche. Let's go. All right, guys, we are rounding third base, almost finished with this Subway ceramic shower build. The pan is already grouted. We are using Dove Gray. We have the tileable drain right here. We will seal up this tomorrow. And we like the nice clean look of a white Subway. So, Arctic white's going on the walls. We have the niche protected, 1x1 deco. For back of the niche, same tile for the pan. This is protected as well. After we grout, we come back tomorrow, seal the grout, install the trim kit, install the shower head, install the shower doors, and then that's a wrap. We move on to the next project. Here we go. Protect the grout as long as possible. We're going to install our 100% silicone where these two planes meet, using our little tool here with some denatured alcohol. The shower is finally complete. White Subway walk-in shower, low profile curb. We have a high-end valve and trim kit over here. Beautiful niche. Let's show you the final result. We just now finalized these shower doors. Barn style, frameless. And here is the shower. We'll go over the details in just a moment. We'll do a quick pan. There's the niche. our shower pan. Tileable drain right there in the middle. So we have a low profile curb. Engineered quartz to cap this off, which matches the engineered quartz for the niche sill. 4x12, wavy, subway, ceramic. Symmetrical route line in the middle. Everything is flat, plumb, and square. We'll take a look at this trim kit here. We installed a new valve. Now the valve was originally on this wall here. We relocated it to this wall. Beautiful valve trim kit, diverter, and a handheld here. And we'll show you how this works momentarily. Here's the niche, 12x20. Trimmed out with Schluter Jolly matte white. We have the same 1 inch by 1 inch sheeted mosaic behind as the deco as we do this pan. We have proper layout with the niche. Full tiles starting down at the pan, full tiles at the bottom of the sill, full tiles at the top of the sill. There are 0 notched cuts around this niche, and we have full tiles at the ceiling. There's our shower rain head, chrome. So all the fixtures are chrome, from the trim kit to the shower head to the shower doors. Let's take a look at this beautiful pan. Again, this is a through body sheeted 1 inch by 1 inch shower pan. Schluter prefab waterproof pan under this, Schluter curb, and Schluter waterproofing. We have a removable tileable drain there. And the pan turned out great. Fantastic contrast, beautiful shower. We are very happy with what this turned out to be. It's gorgeous. Our client is very happy as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell notification for future videos like this, and I'll see you on the next one.